more and more countries are restricting users from accessing margin trading when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies on the futures market. In this class, we're going to look at several options that you can use if your country is restricting you from accessing margin trading. This is class 18 of our step-by-step guide on how to trade the futures market. Obviously, in this class, we're focusing on how to trade the derivatives market on a decentralized trading protocol. Let's get started. We're going to be using GMX for this example, but you can also use dydx and also perpetual. To get started, just make sure that you have your MetaMask installed or whatever wallet that you're actually using. You can use multiple wallets, but in this case, I'm going to be using MetaMask. Not only that, but you also need to add funds on your wallet. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to move funds from layer 1 to layer 2, or to move from layer 2 to other layer 2 scaling solutions. To do that, I'm just going to move to my broker here, and you can see I have a little bit of funds here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to withdraw these funds to my MetaMask over here. So I'm going to click on withdraw, and I'm just going to come to my MetaMask wallet over here, and I want to go ahead and copy my wallet address. So once that I've got that sorted out, I'll come here and I actually want to withdraw USDT. Then I'll actually paste my wallet address over here. Just make sure that you have your wallets pasted correctly. So from here, I'll then choose a network. You can see you've got ERC20, Arbitrum 1. Again, this platform that we're going to be using here is on Arbitrum and also on Avalanche. You can see you've got Avalanche and Arbitrum. So let's come back here. Over here, I will choose, let me look for a cheaper network. I'll choose Optimism. I'll show you how to bridge from Optimism to Arbitrum. So now I'm just going to go ahead and withdraw everything, and I can go ahead and confirm my wallet, which is the first 3 digits and the last 3 digits. So I'm just going to come here to my wallet again. Then I'll confirm the last 3 numbers. In this case, you can see these numbers are correct. I'll go ahead and withdraw this. So now we're actually done withdrawing, which means we have successfully moved these funds from our wallet to our MetaMask. So what I'm going to do in this case is to bridge these funds from one layer to another layer. So in this case, I'm going to come here and select USDT. You can see that our funds are already here, about 500 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. So I'm basically moving these funds from Optimism. Remember, when we withdrew from this side, we use Optimism. Now, when I actually come here, you can see that we do have these funds on Optimism. I want to bring them over to Arbitrum. So I'm going to go ahead and send this over to Arbitrum. I'll switch networks, then go ahead and send these funds over. So now you can see that we have successfully bridged the tokens from Optimism to Arbitrum. Again, you can use any other chains, but I just wanted to show you that you can obviously move the funds from layer 1, which is Ethereum, to Arbitrum. The next step is to come to GMX to start trading from here. All right, now that we actually bridged our funds over from Optimism to Arbitrum, we can now go ahead and connect our wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and just switch networks. Again, if you don't have these networks within your wallet, you can just come to this website here, which is chainlist.io. Once you're here, you can just connect this to your MetaMask. For example, if I look for a network that I don't have within my MetaMask, I can just click on add to MetaMask, which will then add this network to your MetaMask, or you can use this information right here to add that network manually. But I don't want to do that, so I'm going to cancel this. I just wanted to show you that you can do something like that. So the first thing you need to know is that you can swap currencies. So this is equivalent to a spot market. You can swap one currency for another. For example, because we deposited that 500 USDT, I can just click on that and then swap that USDT for Ethereum. But let's just come to leverage trading. Again, here you can decide your leverage. You can see you can go up to dydx, but in this case, I'm just going to keep it, let's say at 4x, for example. Then what I'm going to do is that I want to trade with this USDT. So I'm going to click on max. So in this case, I want to go short, right? Let me look at that. Yeah, I want to go short on the market. So in this case, I want to go short. So I'm going to select USDT. Again, I didn't do any analysis. I'm just doing this for the sake of this video. Then I'm going to click on max. I'm going to go ahead and approve this. And also approve that within your MetaMask. So now you can see that I've approved everything. Now, if we come here, maybe that's it's going to be a great opportunity for us to go short. So I'm going to go ahead and short the market from here. I'm going to confirm this. So this right here will be your position, and you can see that I'm holding about 1.19 Ethereum. So that is because I'm on 4x leverage. So that's how you can trade on leverage using this decentralized trading protocol. So a lot of people have been asking me that, how do they trade, especially for those of you who are in America, because when you're in America, sometimes these centralized exchanges do not really allow clients or customers from America. So you can use this platform. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. So again, I didn't analyze the market. I'm just, showing you basically how you short. You can see this thing is fluctuating up and down. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to close this trade just now. So right now you can see the trade is in profit, but again, it doesn't really matter. I'm not trading this to make money. I just wanted to show you how to short or go long on a decentralized trading protocol. So if I wanted to close this position, I'll just click on close position over here. From here, you can then click on max, which means you literally just want to close everything. Then it will show you your losses and how much money you're actually making. Or you can go ahead and click on trigger, where you can, for example, put 1,500 as your target price, which means when the price reaches 1,500, you will actually be taking profit of $150. From there, you can just go ahead and enable the trade, and then that's all that you need to do. So go ahead and play with this. Again, you can use other trading protocols to actually trade on a test net, which means you don't necessarily have to be using your own money, but you can play with this on a demo account. So I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video. For those of you who want to get discount on your trading fees, just go to referrals, and once you're here, click on traders and actually put this code, which is capital V33. That's all that you need to do in order for you to get up to 10% off your trading fees. I want to discuss this tool here, which is something really amazing. So I'm just going to go back again. I'm going to leave the links in the description of this video. So this tool is really amazing for those of you who are just getting started in trading, or maybe for those of you who are not really comfortable, because here we can see the most successful traders on GMX. So I'm going to click on dashboard. What I want to do here is to click 1 month. Obviously I can select 24 hours, 7 days, or 1 month. From here we can see the most successful traders on this platform. You can see this month this trader here has made over $300,000 in profit, and we can see that they took 17 trades with 0 losses, which is something very great. So what we can do is to click on this trader here and sort of like look at all the trades that this trader has taken, she or he has taken. So if you actually look here, you'll see where they went long, where they went short, and all that stuff. So for example, here you can see all these 17 trades with no loss. So that's amazing. But the nice thing is that we can actually copy what this trader is doing. This is all the data coming in the past 45 hours, and you can see the last profit they made was $35,777. So that was 10 hours ago. So we can actually come here and click and see again, guys. If we go back, you can see the trade history where this trader actually was going long or going short. Everything is detailed for you here on the chart. So we can come here and click on this icon and sort of like look at this trade in more details. You can see that this trader here made 15% on the trade, making $46,000. And from here you can see where it says open, which means this is where the trade was open, which is basically about 16 hours ago. The margin collateral that was used is $56,000, or rather $52,000, and the opening price here was $1,679, and then they closed this trade at $1,682. You can see that this person went rather long, because they bought at $1,679, closing at $1,682. So they just took advantage of that small price difference. So you can see that you can actually make a lot of money if you actually have a lot of collateral. Obviously this is not financial advice. I just wanted to show you this tool. And what I think I can do here, I'll speak to one of the few developers that I actually know. I think it's possible to actually get this data from these traders. If we can actually go back, you can see this is actually on GitHub. So it's got a GitHub repository. So which means if I click on that, I can actually be able to see the code, the source code of all this and how it functions, which is giving me an idea of actually coding something that can, you know, give me a notification every time these people take the trade. I think that will be a great tool, because now you're following someone who has actually a proven record. Let's click back on dashboard. Again, I've got 1 month selected here. I can select in the past 7 days. For example, you can see this trader took 11 trades with 2 losses. From here, you can also see that they're using 18x, 25x, 8x. So this is the leverage size that they're actually using. In the next class, we're going to go in depth with understanding how to pick a trading pair for those of you who want to get started with trading the futures market, and which trading pairs you should be using as a beginner or as a pro trader. That class is going to be coming up next. I will see you there. Goodbye for now. Peace.